beneath the sprawling branches of an ancient oak, bathed in morning light. The day awakens with the cheerful songs of birds as nature embraces a new beginning. Milo, a young rabbit with eyes full of dreams, sits quietly, his small hands capturing the world in his sketchbook. The forest around him sings with life, yet his focus remains unbroken, lost in the dance of pencil and paper. His gaze lifts, drawn upwards towards the canopy, a spark igniting within his bright eyes as inspiration takes flight. The world fades as his imagination soars. Visions of grand adventures swirl within the canvas of his mind. In the vibrant realm of Milo's imagination, a tire swing hangs, beckoning from the oak's highest branch. Children's laughter fills the air as they swoop and soar, their joyous cries echoing through the animated landscape. Milo watches from afar, his face breaking into a wide, hopeful grin as he envisions himself joining their carefree flight. His eyes gleam with anticipation, lost in the enchanting reverie of shared laughter and boundless freedom. Beneath the sprawling oak, Milo explodes with renewed energy. "I'm gonna build it today," Milo declares, his voice ringing with purpose. Playful music fills the air as Milo dashes off. He disappears into his shed, ready to build. Beneath the colossal oak, Milo strains against the weight, wrestling a large rubber tire and thick rope. He throws the rope toward a high branch, but it falls short, defeated by the tree's towering height. Milo struggles, his sneakers slipping, as he attempts to climb the rough bark. He tumbles back down, landing with a frustrated grunt, his ambition thwarted. Frustration tightens his small fists, the towering tree mocking his efforts. Defiance flickers in Milo's eyes, a silent vow to conquer the unyielding oak. The tire hits the ground with a thud, ending Milo's efforts. Milo collapses to the ground, his spirit crushed. Why isn't it working? From the branches above, Tilly appears, calmly munching on a nut. Tilly, a wise squirrel, watches Milo from above. Beneath the vast oak, Tilly observes Milo, a mix of curiosity and concern etched on her face. Milo, energized, gestures wildly as he unveils his hopeful vision. Tilly questions, her voice soft, yet laced with doubt. "What are you trying to do, Milo?" Milo's eyes gleam with the spark of an idea as he declares his swing idea. With gentle wisdom, Tilly offers guidance. Big dreams need a little planning. Tilly extends an offer of collaboration. "Want me to show you how I built my bird feeders?" At Tilly's home, she reveals a checklist crafted from acorn caps and twigs. "First, I think about what I want. Then I break it into steps," she explains. Tilly pauses, lost in thought. Outside Tilly's home, Milo watches intently as Tilly begins to outline her elaborate plan. Tilly details the critical steps: gather, measure, secure, test, adjust. Milo's eyes widen with excitement as he absorbs each detail of Tilly's plan. A spark of hope ignites within Milo, envisioning the adventure ahead with Tilly. In his sketchpad, Milo meticulously outlines each step. Find strong rope. Get help climbing. Milo jots down, planning his ascent. Tie knots safely. He carefully sketches, ensuring every detail is perfect. Test with a small swing. Milo finalizes, visualizing the joyous moment. Cheerful music fills the air, enhancing the anticipation of the project. Milo's sketchpad lies open, revealing a detailed plan as the promise of adventure lingers. In the village shed, Milo prepares for a task, gathering rope. Milo examines the rope, ensuring its strength. He tests the rope's resilience, pulling it taut. Satisfied, Milo coils the rope, ready to go. With purpose, Milo exits the shed, rope in hand. Sunlight paints the forest floor as young Milo, a beacon of youthful energy, halts before a colossal oak. His gaze ascends, locking onto a tiny bird perched high among the leaves, a silent dialogue beginning between them. With exaggerated gestures, Milo sculpts the air, his hands shaping the very branch he wishes the bird to find. He points skyward, his face alight with hope, silently urging the bird to discover the perfect perch. Amidst the towering shelves, Milo inhales the scent of aged paper, a sanctuary of knowledge embracing him. His fingers reach, seizing knots for beginners, the cover a labyrinth of intricate rope patterns. Lost in concentration, Milo traces the diagrams, each line a pathway into the world of knots. The diagrams on the book beckon Milo into a world of nautical knowledge. Milo stands in a sea of towering books, a student ready to master the art of knots. Beneath the sprawling oak, sunlight dances, illuminating Milo as he crafts with rope. Tilly leans in, her gentle guidance nurturing Milo's growing skill. Each knot mastered brings a burst of joy to Milo's face, a testament to his dedication. Together, they embody the spirit of teamwork, weaving bonds of friendship and shared accomplishment. Beneath the vast oak, Milo and Benny struggle with the heavy tire. With combined effort, they hoist it higher, inching closer to their goal. Milo's face beams with excitement as their project takes shape. "It's really happening," Milo exclaims, his voice filled with disbelief and joy. The tire swing hangs suspended, a testament to their friendship and shared dream. Under the vast sky, a thick rope, burdened by time and use, suddenly gives way with a deafening crack. The worn tire swing plummets towards the earth. A collective gasp echoes through the air as the tire impacts the ground. The playful music abruptly ceases, leaving an unsettling silence. The once vibrant scene is now shrouded in an unsettling stillness. The fallen tire lies motionless on the ground, a stark reminder of the sudden disruption. Under the generous spread of an ancient oak, Milo sits, his figure a portrait of utter dejection. Lost in his despair, Milo murmurs, "All that work for nothing." Tilly's voice cuts through the gloom with a spark of resilience. "It's not for nothing, Milo." She kneels, her eyes locking with his, offering a lifeline of hope. "Every plan needs a backup," Tilly insists, her words a gentle challenge. With unwavering resolve, Tilly proposes, "Let's figure out what went wrong." Beneath the aged oak, Milo and Tilly confront the stark reality of their frayed rope, disappointment etched deeply into their faces. The rope hangs uselessly, a symbol of failed hopes and a challenge to their resolve. They huddle closer, their voices a hushed murmur against the backdrop of rustling leaves, as they begin to rethink their strategy. Milo's voice cuts through the air with renewed determination. Step 2. Get a stronger rope. His eyes gleam with newfound resolve as he declares. And Step 4. Test with double knots. Together, they stand united in purpose, ready to face their challenge with a stronger rope and unwavering determination. Amidst the bustling village market, Milo's determined gaze sweeps over the vibrant stalls, a quest evident in his focused expression. His search culminates as his eyes fix upon a coil of rope, its robust texture sparking a glint of satisfaction in his eyes. With a sharp tug, Milo tests the rope's strength, his nod confirming its worthiness as he prepares for the journey ahead. Having made his purchase, Milo secures the rope to his pack, his confident movements hinting at the adventures awaiting him. Beneath the vast sky, Milo tests the strength of the new rope. Milo ensures every knot is tightly bound, a testament to his meticulous nature. Milo pulls the rope. It is secured. The rope coils around the sturdy branch, a promise of resilience against the elements. Milo tightens the knot, securing the rope. Milo continues to secure the rope. Beneath the grand oak, music fills the air as Milo beams with pride beside his newly crafted swing. A small gathering of friends surrounds Milo, their expressions alight with excitement and anticipation. Each glance holds the promise of joyous flights and carefree laughter. The swing, a symbol of youthful dreams, awaits its first daring flight. Milo's friends watch with bated breath as he prepares to test his creation, ready to soar into the sky. Beneath the expansive branches of an ancient oak, Milo prepares for flight. With a burst of youthful energy, Milo launches into the air, propelled by laughter and exhilaration. He soars through the air, a symphony of laughter, echoing through the trees. The wind rushes through his hair as his face flushes with happiness and pure delight. In a moment of unadulterated joy, Milo's laughter rings out, a testament to the simple pleasures of childhood. His exhilaration paints a vivid portrait of freedom and youthful abandon. Sunlight filters softly through the canopy of a massive oak, casting a gentle glow on the inviting tire swing below. Milo's face lights up with pure joy as he shouts, "I did it! One step at a time!" Cheers erupt as Milo's friends gather, their excitement filling the air as they anticipate their turn on the swing. The tire swing sways gently, promising laughter and carefree joy under the watchful gaze of the ancient oak. Beneath the sun's golden embrace, a village playground awakens, its laughter echoing through the air. Milo, with fur softened by time, kneels beside a younger bunny, offering guidance with a tender paw. The smaller bunny struggles, its fluffy form a contrast to the weathered seesaw, as Milo patiently explains. With each gesture, Milo's enthusiasm grows, his voice a gentle whisper against the backdrop of playful sounds. A moment of shared understanding dawns as the seesaw begins to move, carrying with it the promise of friendship and joy. The old oak stands silhouetted against the setting sun, its branches reaching towards the fading light. A gentle breeze stirs the leaves, their shadows dancing on the ground below. A swing hangs beneath the tree, swaying softly in the stillness of the evening. Sunlight filters through the leaves, painting the scene in hues of gold and amber. The air is filled with a sense of peace as the day gives way to night. The swing continues to sway, a silent reminder of carefree days gone by. As the sun descends, the ancient oak casts long shadows, embracing the quiet warmth of the day. Milo, eyes gleaming with youthful ambition, turns to the future. "What's your big idea? Let's make a plan," Milo urges, his voice ringing with anticipation. With a plan taking shape in his mind, Milo prepares to embark on his journey. A sense of destiny calling him forward. Milo takes the first step towards achieving his big dreams.